Hi kids, are you ready to subtract and think like a math star? Let's go. Here's the first one. 9 minus 4 equals what? We have 9 apples. Take away 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 9 minus 4 is 5. Great job. Next, 8 minus 5 equals what? Let's count it out. We have 8 apples. Take away 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. That's right. 8 minus 5 is 3. Great job. Next one. 12 minus 7 equals what? Think, think, think. Take away 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12 minus 7 is 5. You're doing awesome. Let's try a bigger one. Next, 6 minus 3 equals what? 6 minus 3 is 3. Here we have 6 apples. Take 3 away. 3 apples left. 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Great job. Next 4 minus 2 equals what? 4 minus 2 is 2. Here we have 4 apples. Take 2 away. 2 apples left. 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. You're